Hello traders, welcome to the Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is July the 7th, and here is the 1 hour chart of the FTSE. So we calling this wave 4 completed at 8706, and currently the index is within the wave 5 higher, and within the wave 5 in the shorter cycle you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. E5 swing, as you know, is a motive sequence suggesting that the bias is higher because of that 5 swing. So as long as we stay above 8706 here, we should be looking for more upside potentially. Okay, now this pullback is in the 3 ways down. So if we do extend lower, assuming, then we can see support potentially at this 100% extension area, 87.82, between 87.82 87.48, and then from here we can continue higher again, again, but the more important level, the pivot here is 8706 here, and as long as we stay above here, we can see more upside. Okay, now if I zoom out to the daily time frame, focusing on this wave 3 and the wave 4, this is wave 3 and the wave 4 here. So we're looking to finish wave 5, which is a 5 ways up from this low in April 4. This is the post-tariff war announcement, right? And so this is your 1 and 2. So now looking for the last wave 5, and again the shorter cycle, as we can see earlier, this rally from here is a 5 swing. It's a motive sequence, and therefore bias is higher as long as we continue to stay above 8706. All right, so as always, we're going to update this in our service, and if you want to get more updates on the FTSE or any other indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14-day trial, and the link is in the description of the video. You can also go to our website, Elliottwave.com, check out our different plans and pricing here, as well as the educational classes that we have here, the different classes that can help you out. We are now still running for this is almost expired, so if you want to buy any classes or plans, this is the best time once this 4th of July promotion is gonna disappear very soon. Okay, and I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.